Hey, what's up? It's me again. So today I am going to make dinner barbecue. Slow cooked pork ribs barbecue. So I'm going to show you what I do. Water should be boiling now. Yeah, it is. Pork ribs here that I already washed. Okay, so we have boiled it for 10 minutes now, and you see those stuff floating up there. Those are why I boil my meat first before I do anything about it. I will fish it out of there. This should do it. And transfer it to the Dutch oven. There you go. And now I'm going to roast some garlic and onion. Very easy. It's not hard to do. Just turn your fire to low. Doing this brings out the aroma of the garlic and the onion. You can hear it. The onion, it's a little bit charred, but that's the way I want it. See that? I'm not gonna mince it. It's just cut, sliced, and then I add it in. Then I just like that. Just like that. And spread it. Now I add a cup of water and 100% apple juice, pineapple juice. Add it in there. 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, of brown sugar, couple of bay leaves. So I just crush it in there. Black pepper. Put it on. Turn the fire to high and then bring it to a rolling boil. When that's doing that, you turn it down to low. And that's pretty much it. You just have to occasionally watch it to make sure that you still have enough liquid. But I normally leave it on simmer for 2 hours. And then it's time to eat. So guys, here is the finished product. It's very tender, very savory. It's really good. I'm pairing it with steamed broccoli and carrots because this is savory enough to pair with just the steamed veggies. And so anyway, I thought I'd show it to you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Let's eat.